Hey my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is especially for all my sweethearts who are noobs or beginners at makeup, who don't have many makeup and cosmetic products to work with, who don't have many brushes to work with. So this is a makeup for beginners which can be achieved in just 5 minutes with less than 5 products. So trust me, these are the only 5 products you need to get this gorgeous no makeup look kind of a look. And this is one of my most favorite look which I generally wear on everyday basis. So if you're interested to know which all 5 products you need for your makeup and which will sort you out, keep on watching. So further ado, let's get started.
Like always, this is my face right after the shower, so the first thing I pick up is a foundation. I would say try to avoid concealer because concealer are thicker and they get creased. So I'm using a very sheer foundation that is actually not very full coverage on my face to just get an even skin tone. I'm blending this foundation with the help of a beauty sponge. This is a damp beauty sponge. I'll be just making a very thin layer of foundation so that I get an even base which is undetectable. Now you would say everyone on the YouTube is doing a no makeup look using a concealer, but you have seen concealers thicker than foundation. Then how could concealer give you a no makeup look which is actually detectable and people can see you're wearing makeup? I don't know how can somebody classify a makeup which is detectable as no makeup look. I'm holding a blush palette from Colourpop. I'll be using this matte peach color on my cheeks to get that natural color which a brown girl generally has. I'll just get that color back to my skin. Now I'm holding this Physician Formula bronzer. This is one good thing you should have. This will act as my eyeshadow. I'll just pop it with my finger. Nothing very dramatic because I've used foundation, so I've lost all the color of my face. So I'm just getting a little bit dimension back to my face. And using the same bronzer, I'm swiping around my face in the manner 3 so that I get that sun-kissed look back, a little bit dimension. After this, I'll be working on my eyebrows. This is a retractable eyebrow pencil from NYX Cosmetic, and do you know, eyebrows are the only lines on your face which actually gives expressions. You have to be very careful. You don't have to miss your eyebrows. Draw it proper and you are amazingly ready for the day. So that's what I'm trying to do here. I'm keeping my eyebrows near to natural, nothing very dramatic. That's it. So after this, we'll see how the eyes look different. Can you see the eyes done with the eyebrows and without eyebrows? Just curling my eyelashes. If you have a sleepy head or maybe a night before you didn't sleep well, use this tool called eyelash curler and mascara. Use these 2 things and you'll be amused to see how well open, energetic your eyes will suddenly start looking. If you don't trust me, try it once and you can see the eye with eyelash pin curl and mascara on is looking bigger. Now let me just bring life back to the other one which has not yet been prepared, and it's done. You could see how simple this makeup is, how effective it is to bring life and yet undetectable. Now comes the time for the simplest thing which we all use, is called lipstick. I'm using a lip crayon instead of lipstick today because lip crayons are more hydrating. They are more easy on your lips and they don't look as if you have a makeup. So lip crayon is my everyday choice. This is a nudish color from Maybelline, and after this, if you are a person who loves to tight line their waterline, you can go ahead and I'll show you. The look is very different. So we have one makeup for 2 looks, without and with kohl. Now if you see, I have not used a setting spray or setting powder because on every day you don't want to look cakey or all dolled up. So keep your base simple, lightweight. You don't need a lot of products. This is gonna be an absolute favorite of yours too, like mine, an undetectable no makeup look. Try it and trust me, it will work wonders.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a like and do subscribe to my channel. It keeps me motivated, and until we meet next, just keep on practicing makeup and of course, take care. Bye bye.